How to seal a metal fuel tank inside and out to stop rust and extend its life. Fuel tanks rust from the inside and the outside, often long before leaks appear. And once rust starts, rust flakes break loose and can clog filters, carburetors, and injectors, and eventually the metal thins and leaks form. In this video, I'll show you how to properly seal a metal fuel tank inside and out using the KBS Fuel Tank Sealer Kit and KBS RustSeal, so you can stop rust, prevent fuel contamination, and drastically extend tank life. Fuel tanks rust because of moisture. As temperatures rise and fall, condensation forms inside the tank, especially when it's stored partially full. However, sealing the inside and outside of the tank stops this process by isolating rust from moisture and oxygen, the two things corrosion needs to continue. And this just isn't about old tanks. Many people seal new tanks as preventative maintenance because aftermarket tanks often have bare steel interiors not designed for ethanol fuels or long-term storage. Successful fuel tank sealing starts with thorough preparation. Start with KBS Klean, a concentrated cleaner that removes oil, dirt, and residue without leaving anything behind that could hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Klean 1:1 with hot water, pour it into the tank, seal the openings, and roll the tank so the solution reaches all internal surfaces. For heavy varnish or scale, longer soaking may be needed. Adding nuts, bolts, or a loose chain and rotating the tank helps knock loose stubborn rust and debris. When done, rinse with water repeatedly until the tank is completely clean. The cleaner the tank, the better the sealer will bond. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Please note, if a tank was previously sealed, you must first remove the old coating with KBS Strip before using KBS Klean. Information for KBS Strip can be found on the KBS website. Next comes RustBlast, which neutralizes any remaining rust and etches the surface for the strongest bonding of gold standard tank sealer. Pour RustBlast into the tank and slowly roll it, keeping all interior surfaces wet for 30 to 60 minutes. Don't let RustBlast dry. When finished, drain and rinse thoroughly. Then dry the tank completely using forced air or gentle heat. You'll see a white zinc phosphate coating remains. That's a good thing. It prevents flash rust and improves adhesion. Detailed instructions for RustBlast can be found on the KBS website. Once the tank is clean, etched, and totally dry, it's ready for sealing with Gold Standard Tank Sealer. Gold Standard Tank Sealer is a durable, flexible, and rock-hard coating that protects metal, seals pinholes and seams, and withstands tank expansion and contraction. Gold Standard is compatible with modern fuels and is impervious to gasoline, E85 and other ethanol blends, racing fuels, diesel, and biodiesel. Mix Gold Standard thoroughly, stirring upward from the bottom of the can. Pour in the can of Gold Standard and slowly rotate the tank for up to 30 minutes. Be sure all surfaces are evenly coated. Please note that Gold Standard is designed as a single thin coat application. There's no second coat. This is the only application, so take your time and fully coat the entire tank, paying extra attention to weld seams and pinholes for a complete seal. When done, drain the excess sealer until it stops dripping. Continue rotating occasionally to prevent pooling of any remaining sealant. Allow the tank to cure for 96 hours before use. Detailed instructions for Gold Standard Tank Sealer can be found on the KBS website. Now we'll move on to sealing the outside of the tank. Start by cleaning the exterior with KBS Klean. Mix KBS Klean with warm water in a 1:5 ratio. Scrub thoroughly with a sponge or scrub brush, then rinse with water and dry completely. The next step is to remove rust using sandpaper, a wire brush, or sandblasting. Then clean again with KBS Klean, rinse with water, and dry completely. Keep in mind, light surface rust can remain when treated with RustBlast and coated with RustSeal. Next, treat the surface with RustBlast to neutralize remaining corrosion and create an ideal surface for coating. Spray on RustBlast and keep it wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on rust corrosion severity. Scrub intermittently with a Scotch-Brite pad, then rinse and dry thoroughly. A whitish zinc phosphate residue will remain. This is beneficial and prevents flash rust. Don't remove it. Now it's time for RustSeal. RustSeal is a rust-preventive coating that forms a permanent barrier between metal and the environment. It's a 1K moisture-cured formulation that dries to a rock-hard yet flexible finish that won't chip or peel and can be applied directly to rusted, treated, or bare metal. RustSeal is available in 11 colors and can act as a standalone coating or a foundation for additional coatings or finishes. Choose brushing, rolling, or spraying, and apply when the temperature is between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid high humidity. Stir RustSeal thoroughly from the bottom of the can to the top. Apply 3 thin, even coats. Remember, thin coats cure harder and stronger than thick coats. Allow 2 to 6 hours dry time between each coat, and be sure to apply additional coats within 8 hours. Allow 7 days for RustSeal to fully cure before using the tank. Detailed instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Please note, if you find pinholes or rusted weld seams on the exterior of the tank, they can be repaired with KBS backbone reinforcing mesh. Larger holes should be repaired with KBS new metal epoxy putty. Complete all repairs before coating with RustSeal. Detailed instructions for use of both products can be found on the KBS website. When you seal and coat a fuel tank inside and out, you stop internal rust, prevent fuel contamination, protect against exterior corrosion, and extend tank life by decades, often for far less than replacement. Whether you're restoring a classic, building a project vehicle, or protecting a brand new tank, sealing a metal fuel tank properly is one of the smartest things you can do. Follow the steps, don't rush the prep, and you'll get long-term reliability and peace of mind. KBS Coatings products are proudly made in the USA.